Add Lysol to baby wipes, and you'll never clean the same way again. And no, this isn't for babies. It's for something way more useful. You've probably used wipes before and realized they're mostly water, right? On their own, they don't really do much. But with one tiny change, we can transform them into something completely different. And once you try it, you'll never go back. Grab a regular pack of wipes. It doesn't matter if they're from the dollar store or a name brand. They all work. Open the lid and get ready for the magic step. Take your favorite cleaner or disinfectant. I'm using Lysol because of its amazing scent. Once you've poured it in, close the lid tightly and give the pack a gentle shake to distribute the liquid evenly. This helps every wipe absorb the perfect amount of cleaning power. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. At this point, you might be wondering why you'd even do this. But trust me, this small tweak changes everything. What you've just made looks simple, but it's incredibly effective. Now take one wipe and test it. Instantly, you'll notice how it glides smoothly, cutting through grease, stains, and dirt with ease. These wipes work on counters, sinks, toilets, stoves, basically anywhere that needs a quick clean. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. And if you think that's impressive, stay tuned, because there's one more clever way to use these wipes that makes this hack even better. Using a big container is important so the ingredients mix evenly without spilling. Now, measure out 7 ounces of disinfectant. The scent, brand, and type are entirely up to you. Next, add 2 tablespoons of regular kitchen salt. This simple ingredient is a natural cleaning booster. Now it's time for the next ingredient. 1 full tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that not only enhances cleaning power, but also neutralizes odors, leaving your surfaces fresh. To finish the formula, pour in 1 cup of room temperature water. This thins the mixture just enough to make it easy to use while still keeping it potent. Now transfer the mixture into an empty container for storage. I like to use a recycled dish soap bottle. It's easy to handle, pour, and store. Seal it tightly so it's ready for use whenever you need it. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. And here's where the magic begins. This isn't just any ordinary cleaner. It's a supercharged, all-purpose solution. You can use it on floors, tiles, counters, and even in the bathroom. Spray it into your toilet bowl for a fresh, disinfected shine, or onto stubborn spots on your kitchen table. The blend of salt and baking soda boosts the cleaning power of the disinfectant, making it more effective than many store-bought products. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who could use a better, cheaper cleaning solution.